ship. We are now on the MSC Divina, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of our room. So first, we're gonna back it up just a little bit, and I wanna show you guys the closet space. So here we have really big, sturdy hangers and a laundry bag. So we have ample storage in here. We have another side, we got life vests in here. Space to put things at the bottom, suitcase, shoes, what have you. Here we have shelving. Again, you can see some of our life vests up here. Lots of shelving space. And then the last one, another life vest, some more shelving, and then we have our safe. And I'm glad they actually give like really good instructions on how to use the safe. Personally, I never use it just because I'm scared I'll get locked out of it, but they have instructions for beginners. And now I'm gonna back up. Here we have lighting. And just like on Carnival's ships, you have to insert a key to maintain electricity and lighting in the stateroom. And so over here we have a thermostat. It looks pretty aged, honestly, but I mean, this is what we got to work with. And we have another light switch, which I think is for the bathroom. Yes. So I'm opening up the bathroom door, and here we have hooks for robes, towels, what have you. And coming in, I actually really like the tile flooring. Normally you have that kind of honestly cheesy looking tile, but I like the way that this looks. It looks clean, it looks vintage, but in a good way. And so up here we have a mirror, our sink. Ooh, we have soap dispenser, which is different. Normally you just have that little bar of soap that they provide. Nice shelving, you have some glasses here, or you can use them as holders for like your toothbrush. Not sure what this is. It looks like it should have been something, but it's like boarded off. But below we have some tissue, facial tissue, extra toilet paper, a trash can, all in here. And then we have more storage space below there for any toiletries you might have. Here it looks like a soap dish. I'm not 100% sure, but I guess that's how we're gonna use it. I think it's a soap dish for if you have any face wash that you wanna use close to the sink, because as you can see on the sink, they do not have that kind of dip or like soap storage here. So I think that's what this is for. Toilet paper, towel or hand towel rack. Here we have a toilet bowl scrubber, standard toilet with the button to flush here. Storage for towels, and here we have the glass shower doors. And based off of what I've seen, I think you have to pull them so that this little magnetic, I think it's magnet stud, matches with this one and it locks into place. And then you have to do the same with this one, or actually it looks like you might need to do this side first. And swing that one out, and then swing this one, and there you go. So for reference, if you're facing the shower, you need to make sure to open the right side first so that this one can kind of clasp into place with it. So it's a little different than what we're used to. But as you can see in the shower, you have your space for soap, you have your hanging string here for your bikinis, which honestly, oh, it's in there, so you would put it across and hook it into the space over there to like dry your swimsuits or anything that you want to hand wash. You have your removable shower head, and it looks like body wash and shampoo is provided, so that's always great. So I'm gonna take you back outside. And here, which I always really like, full-length mirror so you can, get the overall picture with your outfit and just get into it. Over here we have a small chair, and honestly, I'm not 100% sure, but no, I'm gonna say that it doesn't. I was gonna say it looks like it might be one of those kind of convertible little single chairs, but honestly, I think it's just a single chair that someone can sit at. And here we have a small glass table where you can eat. Over here we have a little Samsung TV, and we have shelving above. We have ice bucket, glasses. We do have a mini bar sheet if we want to order anything and have it waiting for us when we arrive here. They did go ahead and put some different print materials here for a breakfast order. We have health things dealing with COVID there, different security pamphlets, internet packages. We have a remote, which I really like. It's packaged up in here, I think because it's been thoroughly cleaned, which is always good, because honestly, remotes are like one of those things that never gets cleaned, so that's always good to see. We have a room service menu, which you can scan here. You just connect to the ship Wi-Fi, scan it, and then you have to dial in on the phone, which is by the bed, to order, and then they'll bring it up to you. Now, coming down below, we have a mini fridge. And it feels like it gets pretty cold, which is good. Sometimes they're a little iffy where they don't get as cold as they should, but that one seems to be a good one. And here we have a built-in hair dryer. This is one of those from the hotel, the Homewood Suites, where I mentioned with that one you had the ability to use it anywhere. With this one, it's kind of bolted down into the drawer, so you can only really use it in this area. And this drawer, oh, maybe it was a little jammed, but just another place where you can store things, some of the print materials or whatever. Then we have a little vanity stool. Since the mirror, lighting, hairdresser is here, this is what you would call your vanity area, and you can pull this out and use it to sit, or if you want, you can move this out of the way and use this as a footstool in the seating area. And under here as well, we have a trash can. And up here, we have some outlets here, and then we have a light switch there. I believe that just controls these lights above overhead. Okay, and now we have the king size bed, which has a beautiful mirror. I think that having a mirror like this, especially in an interior room, by the way, this is an interior deluxe room on the MSC Divina. I think having this big mirror here really opens the space up, and it gives you the illusion that the room is bigger than it really is. So the bed looks nice and comfortable. They have some beach towels here for us. We have daily programs, planners, all that fun stuff to get more information about what's available on the ship and different things that you can do. And over here we have our handy dandy phone. Like I mentioned, if you want to order room service, you would scan the barcode to see the menu, but you still have to call in. There's not an app or anything like that. And on either side you have a lamp. And it looks like over here we have some more storage, bedside storage, which is always really good. And you have two drawers on this side. And I believe it's the same on the other side. So yeah, on this side you also have the lamp with end table and two storage drawers. So I think that is it. So Bae and I just got in our room just became available. So we're gonna unpack, make it like home, and then we will see you guys on the deck upstairs.